3 basic conditions for installing industrial chillers. First, choose a safe installation environment. Since the industrial chiller will produce high temperature during the operation, it is necessary to keep away from various flammable and explosive substances to achieve the purpose of improving the operation efficiency of the equipment. In addition, many environments with high radiation are also very harmful to the chiller. In order to prolong the service life of industrial chillers, a suitable installation environment must be selected. Second, choose an installation environment with better lighting. Maintenance of industrial chillers is essential. Therefore, in order to ensure a good maintenance line of sight in the later stage, it is necessary to choose a well-lit and bright place so that employees can check, maintain in the later stage. Third, choose an installation environment with low ambient temperature and good ventilation. Industrial chillers generate more heat during use. In order to maintain the stability of the industrial chiller, it is necessary to choose a place with lower temperature and good ventilation for installation, so that the chiller can dissipate heat in time.